Hi there guys, welcome to another YouTube video by Ross Perry Productions. Well, today I have a 2010 Ford Falcon. This is the G6 model, and I'm just going to be running through each of the labels you can find on the car for identification purposes. So the main ones are inside the driver's door, or the right hand door in this instance. Open up the door fully, and just here in the door jamb we've got all sorts of information. So we've got the VIN number, which is replicated on every label. You've got the transmission type, the engine type, model number, paint code, build, so this is a February 10 car, and which trim it was given. Also, it's 5 seats, and if you go down here, you've also got all the software that the relevant control modules use. So just to show you where the VIN number is also stamped, open up your bonnet by pulling this lever, come round to the front of the car, just going to open up the bonnet. Now with the bonnet open, may take some cleaning if it's as dirty as this one, but just down here you can actually see the VIN number is stamped in the car. And there you go, that's where your identification labels are. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.